Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a travel pillow on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So here we can just come to temu.com, and here at the search button we will directly search for the travel pillow. So here we can see, so here is a travel pillow, we can just look at. Okay, so this pillow will cost you a $6.98. So this pillow is for traveling. Okay, if you travel on a bus, flight, you can just carry this pillow. It's a very portable and easy to carry. You can see like this. Okay, it comes in a three different color, like red, here is a gray color, and here a black color. This will cost you a same. Okay, so here they have a good review, and if you want to see the description, you can see the description like this. Okay, so this is for your like travels, you can just use on your office also. So to use it, you have to first extend the pillow apart from it cover, and then you have to like this. Okay, so this pillow comes in a three color you have seen, and Temu gives you a shopping security, free return policy, and it gives a free delivery. So to buy, you have to click on the add to cart button, then you have to click on buy button, then follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a travel pillow on Temu website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the Temu app to save money. Thank you for watching.